Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to show you with the Etsy fees today that you need to be a little bit careful with it. That it's got too many hidden fees in there that you need to aware about it. So I have looked, search in the YouTube and online platform that in the YouTube honestly there all says that there is a fees and there is a fees, but no one explained you exactly what for fees and you are going to pay. And I'm going to show you a step-by-step what for fees you are taking it. So let's start the example now. We are just recently started selling on Etsy, open account, and you can see we have a 241 active item in there, and we sold it 2 orders. We have sold it, but first mainly we are going to talking about the fees. And I have said the fees, it was shock honestly, because for £10. But look what we have sold, there are nearly £6 fees that are took it from us. If you're selling in the UK, that we are based in the UK, is okay. Fees that we have sold £6.50, we have paid about less £1 fees. But if you're selling, example, to the US, that is a madness start. That is what you need to really care for, how much you're listing your prices and how much you charge for the shipping fees. So, but when you go to list the item, let me go here and create here listing. What I need to do here, I don't know what should I do here. What digital, who made that one, part of that one? I finished that one. Is it a finished product?
Yes.
So the finished product, how to make it that one, choose date and year, product, that's it, yeah?
No, you need to select
That one?
Yeah.
So choose that one, done, continue. So now you honestly put description, what's the title for you selling videos, pictures. Mainly what I'm going to go talk about it again, what for the fees, stay here, price, how much you're selling for. We are going to pay, put example, $9.99. And it say here estimate profit. If you click in that one, your cost is, we are going to say £5. No, actually tell me how much we, what example for the Kong, how much we pay for?
$4.39.
$4.39. We have sold it in the Etsy, I'm going to show you in a second. We have sold it the Kong toy, dog toy for $9.99, send it to the US. And you have paid $4.39. This is estimate fees. Estimate honestly. It means can be £2 or £1. It's not that much. Estimate is honestly is not 100%. However, the say is a £1.41 estimate is it, and estimate profit. This is estimate profit. When again is a £4 profit. Okay, reasonable. It's not that much, but however, it's reasonable. When we started the shop with the price as low as possible to get it low the traffic that we can change the price later on. However, when you are looking that one, we are going to that and say, okay, maybe we make a profit £3.50 or £4.50. But it's not true. It's not that. Okay, just I'm going to tell you that you need to be careful. If I go, so we have sold the Kong. Let me go to my delivery. And we sold this Kong here for $9.99. So you can see the price. Total price $9.99. Shipping postage price £35. That we are using the DHL Express. We pay $34.95. Charge £35. And it stayed here tax 77 pence. But that is what I don't understood. And I asked the support, I said chat about 3 hours. I'm going to show you in a minute. Chat for 3 hours. I was explaining why do I need to have paid the tax. It could not be explained exactly how much it is. Stay here, Etsy collected CA California and United States tax, sales tax on your behalf, and my behalf is collected tax. That is what I'm understood under that one is me collected tax on my behalf from the buyer, not from me. However, they all have collected this fee from me. However, I say here the order total £45.76. You need to think about it for that one. I have paid £35 for the postage. I paid £35 postage and charge customer £35 postage. So now we are going to this order now. I'm going to the finance, payments, go down, view monthly statement, 2014, it was yesterday or was today. And if I'm going to, let me find it. So here, this is what we sold it, 4,576 pence for that order. It's a Kong toy, 4,576 pence. Okay. Now have a look. You pay 45.76 pence. Process fees, £2.03 pence. Sell tax paid by buyer. Please explain me. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm too stupid to understand. But it says sales tax paid by buyer. I am the seller. But they are still deducted from my sellings profit, 77 pence. They are collected from mine. I don't understand why the state here sales tax by buyer and it's charged me. Transaction fees. Process fees, transaction fees, 65 pence. Transaction fee postage, £2.28 pence. Regulation operation fees, 14 pence. But you can see, stay here. If you calculated all these fees here, you come to, let's have a look here. 14, 228, 65, 77, to come of £5.87. That is the fees what you have paid because you have sold it to the US. So for the £9.99, but we have sold it actually, and we pay £4 we pay, yeah?
£4.39, yeah.
£4.39 pence what we have paid. Actually, you can see the profit is nothing. Actually, we have done it less what we make. So careful when you're listing and how much you set up your prices. Careful with that one. The other thing is, stay here. Fees for sale made through the offsite app. We have never signed, £6.75 pence. I have contacted them. I'm luckily get that money amount back, refunded back to me. But there are automatic activated that fees, that marketing that you never sign. You don't need to tell them I want to have that one or not. They are automatic. If you open the new shop, they are activated and they are charged for it. All right. I suggest you should turn it off first when you start a new to Etsy. First have a look how it's going. Are you happy? And you can always turn on that one. How are you going to do it? You go to the settings and where was it? I don't know. I cannot remember where it was.
Marketing, isn't it?
Option. No, I cannot remember, but you should contact them and tell them you want to have it turn it off. It was somewhere. I'm not very say it.
Marketing, wasn't it?
No, it's not. Was a marketing. It says it's at. However, it is the offsite marketing. It is, and you need to tell them to turn it off. That one. And if I show you the chat, then I have to start the chat at 5:47. The guys have tried to help me, but honestly, with all respect to Etsy support, useless. I'm asking the same question again and again, and say, wait a minute, I'm going to ask. Firstly, I don't understand why they don't transfer me to the right department to answer my question straight away. And if you can see, I started chat 17:47, and I give up. You know, I say. Also, I have afterwards write it down. It's too much now, and you can see it's 21:07. Over 3 hours. I have sat chat with them, and it still is not repeat themselves, copy and paste it, and it was very, very disappointed. It's been honestly useless chat. The other thing what I wanted to show you, it is to use that one here, not that one, sorry, this one here is a free of charge. I'll put it in link in description. Use this one honestly to get it your fees calculated and tell you how much you are make a profit. It's much. Example, if I put here 9.99 but we sold it. Shipping charge the buyer £35, we have charged it. Material got 467, was it?
The 439.
Sorry, 439. Packaging cost is nothing. We say we have not paid anything. Price paid for shipping £35. We have paid, and you see we have paid £34.95. We don't have that. We don't have that. Is telling you I have make it less 45 pence. Actually, I haven't lost the money. So again, careful when you are going to Etsy or you want to sell it. What you going if you go to the listing is not what actually show you estimate profit. This is not the same. Let me show you again. Here, if you go there and copy. If you're going down here, where was it? Price. You're putting $9.99. I'm going to tell you your profit is $5.34. Actually, your fees is $5.34. It's not what is the say here is the truth. Okay. Again, careful. Anything else I want to add to it? You think? No, that's it. Just when you want to selling, be sure you understood the fees and everything. And the other thing is the tax. If you are VAT register and say, okay, if you are paying the tax, for example, 77 pence, what we have paid here. Let me have a look, show you that one here quickly. Here. Yeah, here. That one we have sold something else for £95. 96.13, and again you can see the fees, how much fees they are charged me. They're £4.45. These are all fees, and it's paid transaction fee, postage again charge, and sales tax by buyer. This is I really don't understand why it's the sales tax paid by buyer. It say paid by buyer, but still they are charged me. And if you add all this fees for the two sales what you have done, is much more is what actually the fees what you show you here. It's the transaction fees and processing fees. This is the if you add this. In my case, if I add the fees what I have paid for the two items what I have sold, I come to 17.18. But the transaction fees and processing fees here show me is 14.96. It's mean different is £2.32. And he, the chat guy, I have asked him, he could not tell me. I don't want to really go up and down here to show you what he wrote it down and what it's going to tell me. I have you see that I have sent all the screenshot because he could not understand me how come I come to this 232 difference. But he just could not answer me, and it's repeat. He sent me the link that is nothing to do with the question, but I have answered. However, if you have any tips or anything that you can explain me what's going on with the tax paid by buyer, but I have still paid for it, I appreciate it. Please give me a comment. If you have any experience like that, add the comment that any other seller trader started selling at Etsy, worry about it. And the other thing as well is, if you go to the message as soon as we started, you can see here, don't click any of them links, they are all spammers. If you click them, they are trying to take your money. Careful with that one as well, and no one can do about it. The Etsy's don't care really about that one, and there are still, you can see how many spam I have here. Alright, I hope this video is help you, and happy selling in online platform, and just be careful please, and give a comment in your experience. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.